Chromebooks are fast, secure, and easy to use. They also have brilliant battery life. Because they updated themselves automatically, you have no downtime, allowing you to work, play, browse and stream all day long. Acer are great at making Chromebooks. We made the first device with an NVIDIA CPU, the first 15-inch, the first touchscreen, and the first one to come with a Wacom stylus. We've brought to the market 360-degree hinges, dual cameras, Wi-Fi 6, fingerprint readers, and AMD processors, not to mention 100% aluminium bodies. Acer were the first to put Intel Core i5 and i7 processors in a Chromebook, allowing you to run intensive apps that demand a lot of power, such as photo or video editing, or running multiple apps at the same time, allowing you to multitask with ease. Acer are brilliant at Chromebook. This year, our range is diverse and exciting, and we have a Chromebook for everyone, like the CB514, which is not only very good looking with its brushed aluminium body, narrow bezels and backlit keyboard, but it's also got the speed and power to last you all day. We also have the CB715, a real powerhouse of a Chromebook. With its large 15-inch display, it's perfect for multitasking in the office or watching movies at home. For the accountants out there, it also comes with a number pad, perfect for inputting data or crunching numbers quickly. If you're someone who works outdoors, or you travel around a lot, or you're lucky enough to work from a pub or coffee shop at the moment, then we have the Spin 11. This has been ruggedized, meaning you can drop it, you can spill your water on it, or you can bash it around in the bottom of your bag, and it should survive the day with no problem. It's also got a 360-degree hinge, meaning you can use it in a variety of modes. There's the traditional clamshell mode, tent mode, or tablet mode, depending on if you're working hard, or you've just told your boss that you're working hard. However, if you are looking for the ultimate in Chromebook, then look no further than the Spin 13. This beautiful device features a 13-inch Quad HD IPS Gorilla Glass touchscreen. It really is a beautiful device. With its narrow bezels, brushed aluminium chassis, 360-degree hinge, and stylus pen, it's got all the functionality and connectivity you need for the modern world. Underneath the hood, there's an i5 processor, meaning you have plenty of power for even the most demanding apps. Acer have been making Chromebooks right from the very start, and we're really good at them. We have the biggest and most diverse range, but also the expertise and know-how to really deliver a great user experience. If you have any questions about anything I've said, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. We'll see you in the next video.